Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a delicious yogurt at home using an instant pot. Why instant pot? Because I think this is one of the easiest ways of making yogurt. I will be making another video of making yogurt at home, but that is going to be without using an instant pot. My mom taught me, so I will be sharing with you guys soon. So, please make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of any update. Alright, now let's get started. First off, you will need an instant pot, whole milk, and a cup of plain yogurt. I am pouring half a gallon of whole milk. What I am going to do is, press the sauté button here and let it cook in low heat temperature. While it cooks in low temperature, I am going to stir the milk every 5 minutes or so until the milk will reach up to 180 degrees or until it starts boiling. We should stir the milk, otherwise the bottom part of the milk will stick to the pot. It has been about 15 minutes since we started cooking in low heat. Now, it's time to turn off the heat and let the milk sit for a while until it cools down. Now, I'm going to take the pot completely out of the pressure cooker. I'm going to leave this pot sit for a while until it cools down. And I would like to mention you guys one important thing here. Please do not add yogurt while the temperature is still high. The temperature of the milk has to be low before you add the yogurt. Now, the temperature looks low. I'm going to let it sit little while before I add yogurt to it. The temperature of the milk is low, now it's time to add yogurt to it. I will add some milk into the yogurt cup and stir so that the milk and the yogurt blends well together. Keep stirring until the milk and the yogurt blends together before adding into the pot. After adding yogurt into the pot, again stir well with rest of the milk. Now I'm going to put the pot into the pressure cooker. You can also take off the rubber from the pressure cooker if you do not want the smell from the food that you have cooked before from that rubber. You put the pot in the pressure cooker and press the yogurt button and set the timer to 8 hours to up to 24 hours. The difference would be taste and looks. 8 hours yogurt tastes like mild and looks little creamy, while 24 hours yogurt tastes little sourly and looks dense. Now, for yogurt, we do need to seal the vent, so you can open the vent if it is closed. It started doing its job and I'm going to bed. By the time I wake up, the yogurt will be ready. See you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It has been 8 hours already and looks like the yogurt is ready. It's little watery, but I will filter and throw some water. You can filter and throw water if you want thick and creamy. This is what it looks like after throwing some water and placed it in a refrigerator. Looks yummy, isn't it?